Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials, registration number, date of birth, and application ID. Once ready, open a supported browser and go straight to the UUCMS Karnataka portal. Enter your login details on the student results page and complete any CAPTCHA. This verifies you are a real user and prevents session errors. If you encounter a login block, try clearing cookies or switch to incognito mode, because cached sessions often cause authentication. Once logged in, navigate to the results section and choose the academic year, program, and examination type. These filters narrow the database and speed up retrieval. Next, enter your roll number or registration ID and press search. The system compiles marks by semester and subject, so make sure you pick the correct semester to avoid mismatches. If results don't appear, recheck the registration format and use leading zeros as shown on your admit card. After the result displays, download the PDF version or take a high-quality screenshot and save copies locally and in cloud storage. This preserves evidence if the portal updates. Then verify totals and grade points against your provisional sheet so you can spot calculation errors. If you find discrepancies, use the portal's grievance or reevaluation option and note the ticket ID. This starts an official correction process. If the portal times out, retry after 10 minutes and avoid repeated rapid requests to prevent IP throttling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.